feeling, yeah. I got a feeling that I never had before, no. I just gotta tell you right now that I really do believe that something's gonna hold on.